Bachelor's Degree in Library and Information Science BLIS. Term and examination June 2020. BLI 224. ICT Fundamentals. First question. Most of today's computers are based on concept developed by John von Neumann. Number 2. Any hardware device connected to a computer and any part of the computer outside the CPU and working memory is known as peripherals. Number 3. Charge coupled device readers, also called as dash scanner LED. Number 4. A dash enables a computer to transmit data over telephone or cable lines. Modem. Number 5. The dash typically contains the processor or CPU, BIOS, that is basic input or output system, memory, mass storage interfaces, serial and parallel ports, expansion slots, and all the controllers required to communicate with standard peripheral devices. Motherboard. Number 6. Dash are chips that allow data to be written to. However, unlike hard disk, the data is short term and is only used for the duration the PC is switched on. RAM. Number 7. Dash provides a user the choice to boot one of multiple operating systems installed on a computer or select a specific kernel configuration available on a particular operating system's partitions. GRUB. Number 8. Voice signals, radio and TV broadcasting signals, electricity signals, sunlight or other light signals all are nothing but examples of dash signal. Analog. 9. Computers are dash machines because at their most basic level they can distinguish between just two values, 0 and 1. Electronic. 10. Dash is another alternative mechanism for data transmission which combines the approaches of asynchronous and synchronous communications. Isochronous. 11. A walkie-talkie is an example of dash communication. Half duplex. 12. A dash cable consists of a stiff copper wire as the core surrounded by an insulating material. Coaxial. Number 13. Dash is a device which is used to create an internet working in our WANs and LANs. Router. 14. A dash is a computer network used for communication among computer devices close to one person. PAN. 15. Dash is usually characterized by very high speed connections using fiber optic cable or other digital media. WAN. 16. Peer-to-peer networks are more commonly implemented where less than dash computers are involved and where strict security is not necessary. 10. 17. In dash topology, devices are connected with many redundant interconnections between network nodes. Mesh. 18. Dash is a secure specification that allows users to access information instantly via handheld wireless devices such as mobile phones, pagers, two-way radios, smartphones and communicators. WAP. 19. Dash is a wireless networking technology that uses shortwave radio frequencies to interconnect cell phones, portable computers, and other wireless electronic devices. Bluetooth. 20. The process of establishing a dedicated connection between two endpoints via a network is known as circuit switching. 21. Services that are broadcast or multicast in nature are known as distributed services. 22. Dash is an equipment set up to use computers from remote places. RJE terminal. 23. The status bar in Writer is located at the dash of the workspace. Bottom. 24. The main Impress window has dash parts. 3. 25. Dash view is for setting up the layout of a slide for a printed handout. Handout. 26. The formula bar is located at the dash of the sheet in the Calc workspace. Top. 27. Dash is a collection of programs that enables a user to create, store, modify, and extract information from a database. DBMS. 28. A DSL is a combination of dash languages. 2. 29. A dash database is a database designed around a single table. Flat file. 30. In dash databases, the application can manipulate both transient and persistent data. Object. 31. Bitmapped graphics is also known as dash images. Raster. 32. Dash is a computer-generated artificial reality that projects a person into a sensation of three-dimensional space. Virtual reality. 33. JPEG images use dash bit color. 24. 34. WAV, MIDI, MP3 are dash formats. Audio. 35. Dash is an image format. PNG. 36. A dash is sometimes loosely called a concentrator as it connects to all computers of a network in star configuration. Hub. 37. Dash and token ring are two media access control, that is MAC protocol. Ethernet. 38. Dash topology is a network topology comprising two or more dissimilar network segments. Hybrid. 39. Dash is a passive device that amplifies the signal level. Repeater. 40. Dash provides connectionless service at the user level. UDP. 41. IPv4 uses 32-bit address and IPv6 dash bit 128. 42. Routers use dash to report any abnormal event on the network. ICMP. 43. Dash switching is the most recent one, evolved during mid-1990s, used in new telecommunication infrastructure. Cell. 44. Cell switching and asynchronous transfer mode are chosen as the basic transport mechanism for BISDN. 45. Dash is used for routing information between autonomous systems connected to the internet. BGP. 46. Dash has been developed as a common format for image scanners and DTP software. TIFF. 47. Submission of a message by UA to MTA is via Dash protocol. SMTP. 48. CMIP, TMN and SNMP concentrated mainly on Dash management tools. WAN. 49. A high-speed network capable of transmitting and distributing high-quality video information is called Video Net. 50. Dash security is predominantly concerned with access to information resources residing on a server connected to a network or on a stand-alone computer. AAA. 51. Dash servers are computer systems that perform firewall functions at the application level. Proxy. 52. Dash are malicious programs that spread from system to system via network connections. Worms. 53. Dash is a type of deception to steal valuable personal data such as credit card number, bank account number, email ID, passwords, etc. Phishing. 54. Dash protocol provides a simple, standardized way for users to access their mailboxes and download messages on their computers using email clients. POP3. 55. Dash is computer software used by the mail transfer agent to deliver email to a particular user's mailbox. MDA. 56. Dash is a copy of an email message sent to recipient, but his email address does not appear in the message. DCC. 57. Dash translates domain names into IP address. DNS. 58. In Dash, the first web browser was released. 1991. 59. Web utilizes protocols to identify a web object based on names and addresses known as HTTP. 60. Charles Goldfarb, Ed Mosher and Ray Lowry designed the first markup language known as GML. 61. XML is a subset of SGML. 62. One of the important features of Web 2.0 is Dash services, collaborative. 63. Search engines are automated tools for searching information from a collection using Dash stored in the database of search engine. Metadata. 64. Dogpile is a meta search engine and gets its result from Google, Yahoo, MSN Search, Ask, About, Miva, Looksmart and more. Meta search engine. 65. Logical AND, OR and NOR are known as Boolean operators. 66. Dash means concatenation of words. Truncation. 67. Dash brings out results based on approximations. Fuzzy search. 68. A dash is a locally stored uniform resource identifier. URI. Bookmark. 69. Dash is a standard for formatting non-ASCII messages so that they can be communicated over the internet. MIME. 70. A web-enabled broadcasting of information to the users is known as webcasting. Thank you.